Om Shanti. Good morning to Divine Souls. Today we will go through English Mulli, that is 14th September 2020. Baba is telling, sweet children, you are now sitting in the true Pathsala. Pathsala means it is a place of study. This is also called true satsang. The satsang is very true. True satsang means the company of the real truth. Here you receive the company of the true Father, and it is this that takes you across. Question: what is the difference between the understanding you have and the understanding the other people they have regarding karmic account? Baba is asking regarding karmic account, what are the understanding you, the Baba's children, have and the other people they have? Answer: people believe that in this play of happiness and sorrow, it is God who gives both happiness and sorrow, whereas you children know that this is a play about each one's karmic account. The Father never causes sorrow for anyone. In fact, He comes to show you the path to happiness. Baba says, children, I have never made anyone unhappy. That unhappiness is the fruit of your own action. Today's song. The unhappiness is the fruit of our own action. Baba never causes sorrow or happy to the souls. Today's song. Take us away from this world of sin to a place of rest and comfort. Take us away from the world of sin to a place of rest and comfort. हे भगवान, इसी पाप की दुनिया से और कहीं दूर ले चलो. Essence for Dharana. Number 1 point. Imbibe the virtue of tolerance and pass all the obstacle of Maya. At the time when many calamities come and a lot of assault takes place, you have to stay in remembrance of the Father and tolerate everything. Earn a true income. Number 2. Become one who has a vast and unlimited intellect and who very clearly understand this predestined drama. Everything in this wonderful drama is predestined. Therefore, no question can arise. Continue to follow the directions that the Father gives you. So the drama is very wonderful and it is predestined. Everything is predestined. So continue to follow the direction of Babdada only. What Babdada, the Srimad, is giving us, we have to continuously follow. Then today blessing. Put your hand on your head and visualize that Babdada's hand is on your head and you are receiving the blessing. May you be a master comforter of heart and give comfort to each one's heart as a bestower of blessings like the Father. May you be a comforter of heart, Dilaram, and gives comfort to each one's and सबको आराम देने वाला एज ए बेस्टवेयर ऑफ ब्लेसिंग, जो कि वरदाता, वरदान देने की दाता, लाइक द फादर, बाप दादा जैसे वरदान देने की दाता है, ऐसे हम बच्चों को भी कंफर्टर ऑफ हार्ट बनना है. एक्सप्लेनेशन. द चिल्ड्रेन हु आर एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ ब्लेसिंग, who are bestower of blessing like the Father, never look at anyone's weakness. They are merciful towards everyone. Just as the Father never keeps anyone's weakness in his heart, in the same way, the children who are bestower of blessings never imbibe anyone's weakness. They are master comforter of hearts, who give comfort to each one's heart, and so whether they are companion or subject, प्रजा है या सहयोगी साथी है, everyone sings praise of them. Subject means प्रजा, companion साथी, but everyone sings praise of them. उनके लिए सब प्रशंसा की गाना गाते हैं. The blessing that emerge for them from everyone's heart are, you are always loving and cooperative. The blessing those emerge from their heart everyone's, that is, you are always loving and cooperative. Today's slogan, at the confluence age, elevated souls are those who are carefree emperor. In the confluence age, that means संगम युग में, elevated souls are those who are carefree emperor. जो बेफिक्र बादशाह है वही है उच्च आत्माएं, elevated souls, विशेष आत्माएं, powerful souls. Okay, Om Shanti, good morning, have a nice day, God bless you.